The next option from Insert tab is the Comment tab. That this option can help you in a group work. Imagine that you are working on a PowerPoint file in a group. One is collecting the content, the other is designing. Imagine that the design is over and you want to send this file to your classmate, co-worker, or also your customer. Now it is possible that your classmate, co-worker, or your customer asks you to change some parts of the file. Whether in terms of content or design, your customer, your co-worker, or your classmate can use the comment option and enter his or her idea about the design or the content in the comment section. When you click on this option, the comment window will be opened for you and gives you a place for writing. That you can add the related explanations and your idea here, and when you press the enter key, the changes will be applied. To delete the comment, you can click on this multiplication icon and delete the comment. So by clicking on new, a new comment is created, and by clicking on this multiplication, the comment will be deleted. And you can change the position of this comment and put it where you want the text or the graphic design be changed. So actually, the comment option can help you in a group work design, and it makes more interaction between the creating the content team with the design team.